Hello everyone, hope everyone's having a fantastic Tuesday. And yes, you are seeing doubles. These right here are two new additions to my Chicago collection. But I'm not going to unbox both of these boxes together. No. I'm actually going to unbox one of them for my main channel, and I'll unbox the other one for my secondary channel, which is Heavy Equipment Chicago. So yeah, stay tuned. Hello guys, and welcome to another unboxing video. So let's get started. Now this is the first one out of two new additions of the Chicago collection that I have. Well, this one's packed up pretty well. Okay, anyone guess what it is? Well, you already know because it's in the title. Oh, take that off. Take the tape off. Actually, yeah, that's much better. It's packed too well. There we go. Alright. Put that out the way. And if you're wondering why I'm doing an unboxing video this early in the day, I'm on vacation this week. As you can see here, yes. Alright. As you can see here, it is a Mack R Model tow truck. In what livery? I'm glad you asked. If I can open this box without damaging it. Oh, it's upside down. It's center. No, it's not center. Drum roll, please. Wait a minute. Oh, yes. I do not want to damage it. Uh-oh. Right. Come on, Nikon. There we go. Take the bag off. Take the tissue paper off. Yes. Look at this. It is a Streets and Sanitation tow truck. The city that works. Now this is a rare piece. Yes. Whew. This model is very cold. Very well done. Very well done. I really like this. This is an amazing addition to the collection. Alright guys, thank you guys for watching. And see you guys next time. Peace out.